Hi friends, it's Gina here, and I can't find the videos for these last two layouts that I did for my Page Kits with Scraps series. So I'm just going to show them to you really quick. So these are, I think, numbers 14 and 15, and these are the last two, the pretty purple ones. So let me just show you. This is what I did to put these together. I might have added some extra stuff. I don't really remember. I know this is Chamel, so cute. These stickers, that is from her, that. So yeah. And this is a photo of my beautiful niece and I. We did a girls' day going to a craft fair one day. And pretty simple. I did a lot of layering with the well, I layered the scraps of the pattern paper I had, used a bunch of stickers, stuff like that. Purple is not really, I used to think it was my favorite color, but I have like no purple stuff to scrapbook with, so I don't know if it just doesn't catch my eye or there's just not a lot of that out there. But anyway, so there's number 14, and then this is number 15. And it was just a ladies' night. What's this? Oh, I used a couple of brads and it was coming through. I'm going to have to, because these are crocheted flowers that I got at Michael's from Recollections. So I decided to use those. Oh, look at that. See, that's why you got to hurry up and put them in your page protectors so stuff doesn't come apart. But yeah, so these are just some photos of when I went out with a few girlfriends, or a couple girlfriends, and then my sister-in-law. Yeah, so that's all pretty simple. I used a little pocket thing. I think I did put that in my video when I was putting the page kit together, but I didn't use it as a pocket. Wow, I guess I'm going to have to reinforce everything. And then here are a few brads. Here's 1, 2, 3 brads. Just little labels and stuff like that. Really simple. It's really busy, the background, but I like it. It's pretty. Then made a little cluster up here, and I used a lot of the purple stuff I got from what I didn't already have in my stash was from the Chamel #Chamel sticker book. She has a lot of purple in there. Then these are just some enamel dots and some hearts. And yeah, so that is it. And then I have a ton of pearls, so I'm trying to use up pearls. So I used a whole, like half a strip right here. I thought that looked cute. And yeah, so that'll do it for my series. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'm going to keep doing different videos. I have a bunch I already have recorded that I'm just going to try to upload so I have content for you guys. So I will see you next time. Bye.